Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Maximizing steering performance, the ultimate guide to steering couplers. The steering coupler, also known as a steering joint, is a crucial component in your vehicle's steering system. It's responsible for transmitting the driver's steering input to the wheels, allowing for smooth and responsive handling. Understanding the function and importance of the steering coupler is essential for vehicle owners and enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll delve into the inner workings of the steering coupler, providing a comprehensive overview of its role in your vehicle's steering mechanism. We'll discuss common signs of steering coupler wear and failure, offering valuable insights into why proactive maintenance and timely replacements are imperative for optimal vehicle performance and safety. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast looking to gain a better understanding of your vehicle's steering system or a car owner seeking to stay informed about potential maintenance needs, this video will equip you with practical knowledge to navigate the complexities of the steering coupler with confidence. Stay tuned to discover how this seemingly small component plays a big role in your overall driving experience. What is a steering coupler? A steering coupler, also known as a steering universal joint, is a crucial component of a vehicle's steering system. It connects the steering column to the steering gearbox or rack and pinion, allowing the driver to control the direction of the vehicle. Components and purpose. The steering coupler consists of two joints connected by a shaft. These joints typically include a ball and socket mechanism or a cross and roller type joint. The purpose of these components is to provide flexibility and allow for the transfer of mechanical power from the steering wheel to the steering mechanism while accommodating the movements and vibrations of the vehicle. As the driver turns the steering wheel, the steering coupler transmits this motion to the steering gearbox, initiating the turning of the wheels. Common types of steering couplers: universal joints. Universal joints in steering couplers use a cross and roller mechanism, which allows for smooth and flexible movement. This type of steering coupler is often found in older vehicle models. Rag joints. Rag joints, also known as flex discs, are composed of layers of rubber and steel. They are designed to dampen vibrations and reduce noise in the steering system. Rag joints are commonly used in modern vehicles for their ability to absorb shock and minimize road feedback in the steering wheel. By understanding the components and types of steering couplers, drivers and automotive enthusiasts gain insight into the integral role these components play in ensuring responsive and efficient steering control. If you like this topic, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might like this, and hit that subscribe button for more. As well, please look at the ads on our videos for 30 seconds to support us so we can jeep up this good work. Let's go on. Signs of a faulty steering coupler. A deteriorating or damaged steering coupler can pose serious safety hazards and significantly impact a vehicle's steering performance. Safety implications. A deteriorating or damaged steering coupler can lead to potentially dangerous situations on the road. The steering system may become unpredictable, causing difficulty in maintaining control of the vehicle, especially during sudden maneuvers or emergencies. This can increase the risk of accidents and collisions, making it critical to address any signs of coupler wear promptly to ensure the safety of the driver, passengers, and other road users. Impact on steering performance. A faulty steering coupler can result in steering looseness, excessive play in the steering wheel, or a noticeable lack of responsiveness in the steering system. This can affect the vehicle's overall handling, making it harder to maintain a straight path or navigate curves with precision. Unusual clunking or clicking noises while turning the steering wheel can also indicate a compromised steering coupler. These symptoms can lead to a decline in the overall steering performance, compromising driving comfort and control. By recognizing these indicators and promptly addressing any issues with the steering coupler, drivers can ensure the safe and efficient operation of their vehicles. Regular inspections and timely maintenance are crucial in avoiding potential safety risks associated with steering coupler malfunction. Maintenance and replacement. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of the steering coupler are crucial for ensuring optimal vehicle performance. Let's delve into the recommended practices for routine inspection and the guidelines for steering coupler replacement. Routine inspection. It is advisable to conduct routine inspections of the steering coupler every 12,000 miles or at least once a year, whichever comes first. During the inspection, carefully check for noticeable signs of wear and tear, including cracks, damage, or excessive play in the steering assembly. Look out for any strange noises or vibrations while turning the steering wheel, as these can also indicate potential issues with the coupler. Replacement guidelines. The process of replacing a steering coupler may involve several intricate steps, making it essential to seek professional assistance for complex procedures. Typically, the replacement process includes securing the vehicle, disconnecting the battery, removing the steering column covers, and then accessing the coupler for replacement. Replacing a steering coupler demands precision and expertise, and attempting to do it without proper knowledge can lead to more significant problems. It's crucial to entrust this task to a qualified mechanic who possesses the expertise and tools to carry out the replacement effectively. By adhering to these maintenance practices and seeking professional aid when needed, you can ensure that your steering coupler functions optimally, contributing to a safe and smooth driving experience. Enhancing steering coupler longevity. The steering coupler is an integral component of a vehicle's steering system, and implementing proactive maintenance techniques and ensuring high-quality components can significantly contribute to extending its lifespan and preserving optimal performance. Proactive maintenance techniques. Regular inspection. Periodically inspect the steering coupler for signs of wear, damage, or misalignment. Addressing any issues promptly can prevent further damage and potential failure. Lubrication. Apply a suitable lubricant to the steering coupler as per the manufacturer's recommendations to minimize friction and reduce wear between moving parts. Proper alignment. Ensuring proper wheel alignment can alleviate unnecessary strain on the steering coupler, promoting longevity and smooth operation. Quality considerations. High-quality components. Invest in steering couplers and associated components from reputable manufacturers known for producing durable and reliable parts. Quality components are less prone to premature wear and are better equipped to withstand the rigors of regular use. Compatibility. Ensure that all steering system components, including the coupler, are compatible with the specific make and model of the vehicle. Mismatched or incompatible parts can lead to increased wear and compromised steering performance. By incorporating these proactive maintenance techniques and prioritizing quality considerations, vehicle owners can effectively enhance the longevity of their steering coupler while promoting sustained steering system efficiency. In conclusion, the steering coupler plays a vital role in maintaining safe and efficient vehicle operation. By facilitating the connection between the steering shaft and the steering gear, it ensures responsive and controlled maneuverability. Proactive maintenance and timely replacements of the steering coupler are imperative to avoid potential hazards on the road and to uphold the overall performance of the vehicle. Prioritizing these measures not only enhances safety but also contributes to a smoother driving experience. Stay ahead of steering issues by staying proactive with maintenance and replacements. Your safety and your vehicle's efficiency depend on it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.